Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about WhatsApp. So guys, if you are stuck on WhatsApp, so guys, if you are a WhatsApp and you get this message, the preparing message, please wait a moment. So guys, if you are facing this problem on your WhatsApp, here I will show you how can you fix this problem. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and open setting on your device. So guys, after this, scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage and scroll up. From here tap on WhatsApp, and from here tap on upload app. So as you will have to upload this app for one time, and then you will have to reinstall this app. You will have a check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this there is a second solution as well. You will have a check if your problem and second solution as well. You will have to go back from here. Will you to open your setting, will have to tap a general, and from here will tap on scroll up transfer or reset iPhone, and then here reset tap on, and then reset our network setting. So guys, reset your network setting by giving you a passcode, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you. See you in the next video.